Dunlop Protective Footwear, the leading global manufacturer of protective footwear. Dunlop's original innovation PUROFORT provides the world's makers and doers the protection and comfort they deserve. Dunlop's proprietary high-pressure injection process creates millions of evenly distributed air bubbles, making your boots extremely lightweight and thermally insulating. No more tired feet. This high-pressure process also creates PUROFORT's crosslink structure, providing strength and flexibility, making them extremely abrasion and tear resistant and helping them outlast and outperform boots made of other materials. Dunlop PUROFORT's proprietary thermal regulation prevents heat loss while creating a year-round boot that keeps your feet warm when it is cool and cool when it is warm. Most PUROFORT boots come with SRC slip-rated outsoles with specially designed outsole patterns for the toughest end-user environments. Dunlop guarantees you long-lasting comfort with PUROFORT, which is more lightweight, durable, flexible, comfortable, and thermal regulating than other boots. Dunlop Protective Footwear, the protection and comfort you deserve.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.